Good morning, everyone. My name is Carol, and I live in Wake Forest, North Carolina, and I'm a chef. I went to culinary school back in 2007 and got my degree in baking, pastry arts, and culinary technology. My favorite thing to do is cooking classes, and since we've all been in quarantine and stay at home, I decided to take them online. So anyway, today I'm going to make a spinach and strawberry salad with a poppy seed, sesame seed vinaigrette with toasted almonds and fresh strawberries. So let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toast some almonds. I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. And to toast them, I'm just going to get some slivered almonds I have here, or you can use any type of almonds except for whole almonds. I'm going to add a pinch of sugar and a little bit of butter. And then I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes, and halfway through I'm going to check them and stir them. And then with nuts, always keep an eye on them, because nuts is one thing in the kitchen. You put it in the oven, you turn around, you go back, they're burnt. So never put all your nuts in the oven at once. Here we go. Oh, and I had some in the oven, and this is perfect. This is the exact color you want them. So we're gonna let them cool for a couple of minutes, and we'll start on our salad. Now I'm gonna make the dressing, and I love these containers. You get them when you get things to go from restaurants, or you can buy them at the restaurant supply store. They are really inexpensive, and I love it because you can get the ones that are 32 ounce, 16 ounce, 4 ounces, and the thing that fits on all of them. So anyway, so I'm gonna start with my dressing, and it is a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. I love these measuring cups. They have all the measuring components inside, so you just look down and you can see exactly what you're doing. So I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of the oil, a 1/4 cup of the vinegar, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and then I'm going to do a 1/2 cup of olive oil. So with this, you just eyeball it until you get up to a cup with the olive oil. Okay, and to that, I am going to add a tablespoon of chopped onions, about 1/3 of a cup of sugar, tablespoon of poppy seeds, a teaspoon of sesame seeds, a pinch of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. That'll give it that nice color. Okay. And I have that on there, and I'm just going to pour it directly in here. Get everything out, and then put the lid on really tightly, because you don't want it to explode when you're shaking it. And then just give it a good shake, and there you go. You have simple, easy salad dressing. It keeps in the refrigerator for up to a week, so make sure you label it and you know. And there you go. It's your poppy seed, sesame seed vinaigrette. So I have a beautiful bowl of fresh spinach here, and I bought it at the food store, and it's triple wash, so there's no need to wash it again. You're just good. You can just take it right from the container and put it in your bowl. And then I'm gonna add my strawberries. And like I showed you in my last video with the strawberry bread, I like to pull off the top, green, and then use one of these little scoopers that you get at the restaurant supply store. They're like $1.69, and they're perfect for this, for using for tomatoes. So I'm gonna get my strawberries. You can tell these are really good strawberries. On my way to the beach the other day, my girlfriend asked me to go for overnight with her, and so we drove down and we stopped at a farmer's stand outside of Kingston, North Carolina, and bought the most delicious strawberries. So I just brought these home. So I'm gonna slice them up. So then I have some already sliced, so I'm just gonna put them on my salad. So this salad's about enough for 4 people. And then I'm gonna add some of the nice slivered toasted almonds. Then I'm gonna add my salad dressing. And remember, salad dressing is supposed to coat the salad. It's not supposed to be soup in the bottom of a salad bowl. I hate when I go to restaurants like that. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit, not a whole lot. Remember, you want it to coat the leaves and the salad. And then I'm just gonna give it a quick twist. So you just want your salad to be lightly tossed. You want it to coat. There we go. Then I have my beautiful, of course, blue and white plate. So I'm gonna put that and get some of the strawberries. They always tend to fall to the bottom. And I'm gonna sprinkle a couple more almonds on the top. And there you go, bon appetit.